Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Prometheus metrics for monitoring data jobs, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by accessing the Prometheus web interface. Open your web browser and enter the URL of your Prometheus server. Once the page loads, locate the Targets menu on the side panel. In the Targets section, you will see the list of jobs that Prometheus is currently scraping. Identify the specific job for which you want to download metrics. Click on the job name to view its details. Next, scroll down to the metrics section to see the available metrics for that job. Here, you can filter metrics using the search bar to find specific data points. Select the metric you wish to download. Once you click on the metric, you will be taken to a detailed view. In this view, you can see historical data and current values. To download the data, look for the Graph tab at the top of the page. Switch to the Graph view to visualize the metric over time. Adjust the time range according to your needs using the time selector. Now, click on the eye icon to show the graph options. Select Download from the graph options provided. Choose your preferred format for download, such as CSV or JSON. Confirm your selection, and the download should begin automatically. Once the file is downloaded, open it using a compatible application. You can now analyze the metrics data for your monitoring needs. If you need additional metrics, repeat the process for each desired job. Keep your downloaded data organized for easy access in the future. Review your metrics periodically to ensure your data jobs are running smoothly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.